What's Ian doing? What's Ian doing? It's Ian crawling. It's January 30th, 2011. Ian, go get the balloon. It's Ian crawling. Hi, sweetie. Look at you. Hi, gorgeous. He's crawling. You got the balloon. Let's go this way. Mommy's gonna put the... Oh, Mommy threw the balloon all the way over there. Can you go get it? Can you go get it? There you go, monkey. Hi, gorgeous. Look at you. Go get it, honey. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You got it. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, Ian, that's wonderful. Bye, Ian. Bye. That balloon is done. Yeah. Yeah.